Leah, don't say this. Ashoka grew up to be so high-spirited, so sagacious. How could I miss him?
Obviously, Radhagupta was with him.
That wise advisor who was all the time with him.
Yeah.
The one who taught him all the warfare techniques.
Yes, and you know what? He was the grandson of Chanakya.
But are you sure?
I'm not sure. People say.
Leah, I think we should close our books and get back again.
Exactly.
Your Highness, your father, His Highness, wants to see you immediately.
My son, you are indomitable and gallant. So I want you to go to Ujjain, as it needs a viceroy like you to crush the rebels.
My sword is eager to taste the blood of rebels.
May you emerge victorious, my son.
Prince, always remember, before the problem overpowers you, uproot it. Nip the evil in the bud. You're absolutely correct. Radhagupta, which place is this? So peaceful, so... Radhagupta, who's that pretty girl?
Sir, this is a Buddhist monastery and this girl is a follower of Lord Buddha, the apostle of peace.
Radhagupta, I want you to find more about this girl.
Sure, sir.
Worship for the common people who come in search of serenity and salvation.
Your request will definitely be acceded to. Radhagupta, do the needful.
Sure, sir. The great warrior Ashoka wants to marry your daughter Vidisha.
It will be a great honor for my daughter to marry him.
people whom he killed. He killed many to win over Ujjain, Takshila, Gandhar, Andhra, Mathura, Indraprasth, so many. And then, war of Kalinga changed his whole life.
How?
Let's see.
Team C is 10 minutes 55 seconds. 25 seconds.
King named Chandragupta. He had a philosopher named Akash Ganga. Chandragupta went to a forest with his philosopher and accidentally he got his thumb cut off. He got so annoyed at it. He told his philosopher that God is never with me. Why always I get all the sufferings of the world? What is good in my thumb being cut off? But the philosopher tried to console him by saying, Maharaj, whatever happens, happens for good. But the king failed to understand. He put the philosopher behind the bars. Some time passed. After a few months, the king again went to the expedition, but this time he did not accompany anyone. On his way to the forest, he met with some tribesmen. The tribesmen surrounded him and told that they'll be presenting him before their god. But one of the tribesmen noticed that the king was not having his thumb. That is why they said they cannot offer a man who is not complete in all its organs and senses. So they said that it would not be good if we take him along with us. And the king was rescued from such an ordeal. When he came back to his kingdom, he met the same philosopher and he really repented that he treated him very badly. But the philosopher said, "No, Maharaj, it was not your fault, because if you wouldn't have put me behind the bars, then I would have accompanied you to the forest. But as I am a complete man, the tribesmen must have taken me to serve it to their god." So, my dear friends, we come to know that whatever happens, happens for good. We should never ever complain about anything in our life. When life throws lemons at you, make lemonade out of it. Thank you and have a brilliant day ahead. the real joy is the experience of being engaged in whatever we do.
Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage that counts, and that courage we all have in abundance. Here comes the team D.
Let us welcome them with a thunderous round of applause.
Bharat, the land of great warriors, has been well known for her glorious past. Bravery, courage, determination, all is present through us. One and only, the great Chhatrapati Shivaji! The Nawab of Bijapur was exercising tyranny over the Hindus. As a result, there was an outbreak of turbulence against him. But there was a ray of hope that a miracle will take place, and henceforth Shivaji born. At last, the ray of hope emerged with the birth of Chhatrapati Shivaji. At last, the day dawned. Chhatrapati Shivaji equipped himself with war tactics, and he was declared as the king.